Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this thick creamy yogurt. It's very easy to make, tastes amazing, and it's packed with lots of nutrients like protein, calcium and lots more. First, I'll be using dry milk. I'm using lactose milk and it's full cream, so feel free to use any milk of your choice. For this recipe, I'll be using 4 cups of milk to 8 cups of warm water. If you're starting, you can use 2 cups of milk to 4 cups of warm water. Remember, this is warm water, not hot water. So pour your water into the milk and get a whisk and whisk everything very well until there are no lumps in your milk, just like this. This process helps the yogurt come out very creamy. Place your milk over a stove or your gas and allow this to heat up. One of the ways to know that it's ready is to use your thermometer to check it. If it's up to 82 to 85 degrees, know that it's ready for you to bring it down. Or if you don't have a thermometer, once the milk is about to come to a boil or is bringing out steam, bring it down. I like to cool my milk with cold water. This is just a faster way of cooling my milk. Just pour water over a big bowl and place the milk inside the bowl. Please don't allow water to enter it. So to know that your milk is completely cool down, use your thermometer to check. Once it's up to 42 to 45 degrees, know that your milk is ready for the next step. If you don't have a thermometer, just wash your hand very well and dip it inside the milk, and if you can comfortably count 1 to 10, then know that your milk is ready for the next step. So bring out your milk from the water and get a small bowl just like this. Then get plain yogurt. Plain yogurt is yogurt that you've not mixed with any sugar, that has live culture, because that is what will help the milk to ferment into yogurt. Then pour 2 tablespoons into the bowl and mix with the warm milk very well until it's smooth, just like this. But if you don't have any yogurt at home and you can't find anyone in the store, you can get the yogurt starter culture. It's in a powder form. You can ask any store around you. Then when you get it, transfer this, pour it inside a bowl like this. Pour the warm milk and mix it just the way I did. Then transfer your milk into a very neat container that has a good cover. Then pour your culture into the milk, mix gently just like this and cover with a tight lid. We are going to leave our milk in a warm place. You can leave this in your microwave or in your oven without owning it, but one of the places I like to leave my milk is in a cooler. I like to elevate the milk by placing something on top, then pour hot water. This process is just to create that warm environment for my milk to ferment. I'll place my milk in there and cover very well on the stove and allow this to stay for 10 to 12 hours or better overnight. So after about 10 to 12 hours, it's time to check on my milk to see if it has fermented. So I brought out the milk and let's see the results. Wow, look at our milk has magically transformed into yogurt. Look at how beautiful this yogurt is. That set very well, it's very thick, creamy, and it's very, very delicious. So because I like my yogurt thick and I want to make the Greek yogurt that we all know, I'm going to take this step further, but if you like this your yogurt like this, feel free to start eating it. But I will transfer this into a cheesecloth, a clean one that has been rinsed, so that this process is to make the yogurt to strain out the whey. The whey is simply the water that is going to come out from the from the yogurt. So, and this process to make the yogurt to be thicker, to have that creamy, thick Greek yogurt that you know about. So what I do is I will get a sieve, place this inside the sieve and tie it very well to secure the mouth, and put this inside my fridge to strain out the water. I normally leave this for 2 to 5 hours depending on how thick I want it to be. Please don't leave this on your kitchen counter because it will be too sour. The yogurt will keep fermenting. As for the whey or the water that came out, you don't need to trash it. Keep it for your pancakes, smoothies, or any baked product. It's very nutritious. Then transfer your yogurt into a bowl just like this. Look, see how thick it is. This is the Greek yogurt. So get a whisk and whisk this very well, just the way I'm doing here, until it become very smooth, or the way you would prefer it. I love my yogurt very smooth, so I will mix this very well. Look at how creamy it has become. But if this is a lot of work for you and you have a hand mixer or a stand mixer, all you need to do is to transfer this into your mixer just like this. It will still do the same work. Just pour your yogurt into your mixer and mix this very well. Just look at how beautiful this is. It still comes out very thick, creamy, and beautiful. Wow, this yogurt is very creamy, and it's actually made from the comfort of your home with no preservatives or unnecessary flavors and colors. Look at how thick and creamy this yogurt is. Whoa, have you ever made yogurt before, or is this the first time you try it? Please let me know in the comment section. Well, you can actually sweeten your yogurt with sugar if you like, but I love to sweeten my yogurt with natural things like fruit, syrup, because this helps to add extra nutrient and flavor to the yogurt. So I like sweetening my yogurt with apples, chia seed, bananas, and some syrup like date syrup. Please let me know if you try this recipe. Thank you. Bye.